लोगों को तो बहुत बहुत साल लगते हैं ये रियलाइज करने में कि वो मेलो भी गाती है, वो ये भी कर सकती है, वो भी सूफी भी कर सकती है, सैड भी कर सकती है। तो जब मैं दुखी होंगी तो मैं लोगों के दुख में भी शामिल हो जाऊंगी।
क्या बात, क्या बात। कुछ लिखती भी हैं?
नहीं, नथिंग।
शायराना थॉट्स हैं आपके काफी।
उफ, ये गाने का कमाल है। परदेसी जाना नहीं मुझे छोड़ के, मुझे छोड़ के। Hi, this is Mamta Sharma and you are watching me on BollywoodHangama.com.
Another song which I think Tinku Ji worked like big time.
That was good one.
You're having like say Dharam Ji and the entire works.
Yeah.
I think you can't get bigger than Dharmendra and Sunny Deol and all that stuff.
True.
And the song became huge as well.
Yes.
That song was a huge number in fact.
I was very happy for that number because Dharam Paji ke liye gaya, matlab it was so big for me. Even Bobby Deol was looking so awesome in that song.
He was enjoying himself like anything. He was enjoying himself.
They were looking funky, real good. Or Dharam Paji was looking good with the ghantis. Tongue, and he was moving his head. He was looking so cute in the song. So I was really happy to have sung for him. I was really happy for this song.
2 lines of Tinku Jiya, please.
Yes. पल पल न माने है टिंकू जिया, हाँ टिंकू जिया, इश्क का मंजन गिरज़े हैं पिया। पल पल न माने है टिंकू जिया, हाँ टिंकू जिया, इश्क का मंजन।
Please carry on.
गिरज़े हैं पिया।
Great. Another song I think which has really worked very well is Channo.
Yeah.
Veena Malik was there and that song became...
I don't know what went wrong with that song. It was not that
maybe
huge
because of the movie that the film maybe
sometimes
didn't
it happens
work
when the
that
film
way.
doesn't work, the song also goes down. Maybe. But the song was ultimate.
Yeah,
Anu Malik is like...
Anu Malik I think...
One-man army he is, and he makes the song so big. And the singer is like... the queen of the song, you know. Everything is below the singer.
Absolutely.
The rhythm, everything, the voice is the
Even I think Veena Malik, the way she just enacted to it, I think that
at that time the controversies were going on about her, maybe because of that.
Maybe because of that as well, and I think...
But the song was good, Ahmed Khan did good.
Absolutely.
I was happy so
Maybe
much.
2 lines of Channo if possible.
Yes. महंगी हुई है अंगड़ाई, महंगी हुई है अंगड़ाई, जब से छन्नो है खिड़की पे आई। लौंडे सड़क के फोकट में देखें, छन्नो की आँच से आंखें ये सेकें, छन्नो की आँच से आंखें ये सेकें। ढुल्ले ने कर दी कुटाई, जब से छन्नो है खिड़की पे आई।
क्या बात है, क्या बात है।
महंगी हुई है अंगड़ाई, जब से छन्नो है खिड़की पे आई।
You've also done Bol Bachchan title track with Mr. Bachchan.
Yes.
Now that must have been something because Mr. Bachchan has sung it as well.
Even Ajay Devgan and Abhishek Bachchan also sang it, and I was the only female who sang along with them.
Right. So how was that experience?
That was good. That was good. It was for Himesh Reshamya ji, and it was good. It was really nice. Nothing extraordinary, but yes, it was good. It's a pleasure for any singer if she's singing along with such big people. And first time they were singing along with a female. Otherwise, Amitabh Bachchan ji has always sang it solo whenever he has sang a song. So I was the first one to be called. Okay, Mamta has sang along with him.
क्या बात?
जिसने छेड़ा ये सरगम,
क्या बात?
जिसकी झोली में सौगम, जिसको समझे तू औसम, आफत का है ये मौसम, जिसने भी किया ये आइटम, लटका जैसे पेंडुलम।
Tell us about your training and all. Have you taken any training in music?
Not very formal one, but yes, through internet, through cassettes, especially from Lata ji, Asha ji's songs and Suraya ji's songs and Shamshad ji's songs. I love the voice, I love the old texture and the tone very much, which I use in my songs nowadays.
Yeah, right.
So I love all those, and from them I have taken a little bit points of singing, how to have the breath, how to hold the breath, and how to pronounce the words, where to take the breath in between the song and in between the lines, and how to go high, low, and all those things.
When you're growing up, what are your favorite songs, all-time favorite songs that really just inspired you and still remain with you?
Yeah. It's like Hui Aankhnam was one of my
Kya
favorite.
Kya
and then again a Nadeem Shravan's hit, Pardesi Pardesi Jana Nahi.
Kya baat? And I think that would have suited you perfectly.
Yeah, I loved it. I just loved it. I make both the voices, you know. In Pardesi, Sapna Awasthi ji had sang the starting part.
Right.
And then Alka ji comes. I'll modulate it for you.
Please do. Please do. Go ahead.
I just love that because you don't get to sing it nowadays much. माया नहीं कहती कि प्यार मत करना किसी मुसाफिर का मगर एतबार मत करना. अलका जी. परदेसी परदेसी जाना नहीं मुझे छोड़ के अगेन सपना जी. परदेसी परदेसी जाना नहीं मुझे छोड़ के only this.
One question that comes to my mind is that, you know, primarily you've been singing all these item songs and that ways. Somewhere do you have this thing that maybe you're getting a bit typecast in a way, you're having all the hit numbers so far. But considering that the Alka Yagnik portion that you sang, you have that sort of texture as well, melodious texture as well.
See, I tell you, every singer has all the qualities in them. It's just this ki people don't try out with them. And for me, I'm very happy with my item numbers. I told you, I just love being a part of people's life in their happy mode. So I just love that. And apart from that, अगर हम बात करें professionally कि क्यों नहीं गाया, तो I'm a very newcomer. मतलब 2 years old, that's it. और लोगों को तो बहुत साल लगते हैं ये रियलाइज करने में कि वो मेलो भी गाती है, वो ये भी कर सकती है, वो भी सूफी भी कर सकती है, सैड भी कर सकती है. तो देयर इज अ लॉन्ग वे. मे बी समडे आई विल सिंग इट आल्सो. जब मैं दुखी होंगी तो मैं लोगों के दुख में भी शामिल हो जाऊंगी.
क्या बात कुछ लिखती भी हैं?
नहीं, नथिंग.
शायराना थॉट्स हैं आपके काफी.
उफ, ये गाने का कमाल है.
एक्टिंग का भी कुछ?
नेवर एवर. आई एम सो.
कुछ र्यूमर सुनी हमने?
नहीं कुछ नहीं. नो नथिंग. आई नेवर वांटेड टू एक्ट, नेवर एवर. मतलब कैमरे से मुझे इतना डर लगता है. माय हैंड्स आर शिवरिंग बिकॉज आई कांट फेस इट. बट आई हैव अभी तो बहुत आदत हो गई है. जब शुरू में करते थे तो मुझे लगता था दिमाग में बैक ऑफ द माइंड, पता है, आपसे बात करते रहते हैं और चलता रहता है, अच्छे लग भी रहे कि नहीं, लोग क्या बोलेंगे, अच्छे लग भी रहे कि नहीं, क्या बोलेंगे. सो दैट वाज द थिंग प्रीवियसली. नाउ आई एम ओके बिकॉज आई फील कि जैसे लग रहे हैं वैसे ही लग रहे हैं. एंड आई टेल द कैमरामैन कि भैया मेरे को अच्छा ही दिखाना प्लीज.
नहीं तो कहीं से भी लगे ना कि आप कहीं से कॉन्शियस हैं.
जो लोग ज्यादा कॉन्शियस होते हैं वो ऐसे ही लगते हैं कि दे आर वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट.
बिल्कुल नहीं. मतलब we tend to do interviews on a daily basis. मतलब I think at least इतना तो हम लोग जजमेंट कर सकते हैं.
I am very.
Something about your Bhojpuri songs, and if possible, if you can maybe sing a couple of lines from anything that is close to your heart.
I'll sing it. मैंने भोजपुरी बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं किया है, but जब मुन्नी बदनाम रिलीज हुआ था तो it was on all the way on the net के ममता शर्मा singing भोजपुरी queen singing हिंदी Bollywood numbers, and फिर किसी में लिखा था acting
in. जुड़ा ही रहता है आपके साथ में.
हाँ, ऐसे था. और ममता शर्मा एक्टिंग इन स्लमडॉग मिलियनेयर, एंड आई एम लाइक कौन ममता शर्मा है. देन आई सर्च्ड आउट एंड इट्स अ डिफरेंट ममता शर्मा. द टोन, द वॉइस इज डिफरेंट. यू कैन मेक इट आउट व्हेन यू विल हियर इट कि भैया ये ममता नहीं है, ये ममता है. एंड इट कम्स अप व्हेनेवर, मतलब जो भी आपके नाम से जुड़े हुए होंगे, द सेम नेम्स, इट कम्स अप टुगेदर. तो पीपल थॉट के आई एम लाइक भोजपुरी क्वीन और समथिंग, बट ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. आफ्टर मुन्नी बदनाम आई हैव sang, एंड बिफोर मुन्नी बदनाम मैंने एक एल्बम किया था वीनस का फॉर लाइक भोजपुरी वर्जन सॉन्ग्स होते हैं कि जो ऑलरेडी
जी।
थे गाने, उनके होली के आई डिड। तो I'll sing 2 lines of the one which I have sang.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
3:30 बजे मुन्नी जरूर मिलना, 3:30 बजे, 3:30 बजे मुन्नी जरूर मिलना, 3:30 बजे। This was my song. It's more of Hindi, no?
Yeah, it's more
You
of
wanted
Hindi.
to hear Bhojpuri.
Yeah, because that is
तो फिर वो किसी और का I'll sing.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
चलेगा। सूते ना संघवा खटिया पे, सूते ना संघवा खटिया पे, से जिया सजाई के, सैया जी, सैया जी, सैया जी दिलवा मांगे ले गमछा बिछाई के। ओनली दिस मच।
ये किसका गाना है?
ये कल्पना जी का है एंड आई थिंक ससुरा बड़ा पैसे वाला मूवी से है। मनोज तिवारी इज द हीरो फॉर दिस एंड संभावना सेठ हैज डन इट आई थिंक।
Okay, and Mamta, finally, what are your future plans after this? What are you doing next?
I have done a recently movie. It's untitled, but the song is amazing and it gives a very what do you call it, a disco feel, and it feels like जैसे आप सुनते हैं तो मन करता है नाचना शुरू कर दो. The tagline is very powerful. The movie is for Pritish Chakrabarti. I have done it, and some Hansal Badane is the producer for the movie, and Rashid Khan has done the music, and it's ultimately good. So I'll render 2 lines from that movie. It's some.
Is it out? Is the music out?
No, it's not. But I can sing it. I'm allowed to sing those 2 lines. Yeah,
Sure.
yeah. It's a beautiful song, and I'm definitely sure कि जो movie का उन्होंने मुझे बताया structure, the movie is also going to be it. उनकी first movie थी चलो picture बनाते हैं प्रीतिश जी की, और ये second movie है, and the song is ultimate. So I would love to
बिल्कुल
2 lines for that.
Sure.
तू DJ बन के आजा मेरा डिस्को खुला है, तू DJ बन के आजा मेरा डिस्को खुला है, तू DJ आजा मेरा डिस्को खुला है।
क्या बात, क्या बात। And I believe you're also doing something for Himmat Wala and Bullet Raja.
I have done. Yes, I have sang one song with Sunidhi and Bapida for Himmat Wala. A new song, not the जो पुराने गाने बने हैं उस मूवी में वो उनमें से नहीं गाया, एक नया गाना है which मैं सुनिधि और बपीदा ने गाया है, and I'm very lucky क्योंकि दोनों ही इतने great singers हैं। सुनिधि is so versatile and Bapida is so such a big living legend. उनके लिए तो words नहीं है मेरे पास। He's so good. And Bullet Raja में जो गाना है, oh my God, it was so funny. It was so funny. It was too good.
That's a song that Mahi Gill will be seen on Bullet Raja, Tigmanshu Dhulia's film. In fact, there's buzz around that as well.
I've sang for Grand Masti.
Grand Masti, okay.
Yes, there is a song. It's very good. And then recently some Sanjay Dutt's movies coming.
Zilla Ghaziabad. अच्छा.
Zilla Ghaziabad में भी हमारा एक गाना है which
Geeta
is
Basra is
yes,
there in the
she's
music.
performing. I and Mika have sang it, and it's superb. It's having good lyrics. I can't render it because I'm not allowed to.
Right.
But the song is ultimate.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So it was truly a pleasurable and a धमाकेदार experience, and as Mamta Sharma truly believes that खुशियाँ वो बिखेरना चाहती हैं, तो it was like a fun-filled interview with her and a fun-filled musical interview, and wonderful to have you on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you so much.
Looking forward to all your songs and all your ventures. Thank you very much and all the best.
Thank you too. Thank you very much.
That's all we're from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.